Well, hello students. Today I will start from question number 9 of exercise 2.2. Okay, then I will explain you question number 10 also. Now, what is the question? The ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5 is to 7. The ages are given in ratios. Okay, 4 years later, the sum of the ages will be 56 years. What are their present age? So their present age are given in the ratio form. Okay students, so the first thing that we'll do is let their present ages be Rahul is equals to 5x, because Rahul is representing 5 according to the question, and Harun is equals to 7x. Okay, now what is x? I've written x is a common ratio which has been shared between Rahul and Harun. Okay, so you remember, always remember that whenever the age is given in the ratio form, this is the way that you have to let. Okay, now the next question is 4 years later. Now we have to see what will be their ages after 4 years. Okay, then we'll proceed with the further question. So 4 years later, 4 years later, Rahul age will be what? If Rahul present age is this, so obviously after 4 years more 4 will be added, that is 5x plus 4. Similarly, Harun's age will be after 4 years will be what? If the present age is 7x, so after 4 years the age will be what? 7x plus 4. Isn't it students? Have you understood this? Let me give one example. Suppose if your age is 12 years now, after 4 years it will be 16. Isn't it? You have to add more 4. The same conception I am using it here. Okay. Now we know the ages of Rahul and Harun after 4 years. Isn't it? Now we'll read the question properly. So after 4 years, the sum of the ages will be 56. That is, after 4 years, whatever the ages of Rahul and Harun is, we have to add this 2 and we'll get the answer as 56. So see, according to the problem, Rahul age after 4 years plus Harun's age after 4 years is equals to 56. So Rahul age after 4 years was what? 56 plus 4. See, 56 plus 4 plus Harun's age after 4 years was what? 7x plus 4, isn't it? So now we have to equals to 56. Now just solve it. 5x plus 7x is what? 12x. 4 plus 4 is what? 8. Now we have to transpose this plus it to right hand side, so the sign will change. Now 12x is equals to 5x minus 8. 5 not 5x, 56 minus 8. Now 56 minus 8 is what? 48. So 12x is equals to 48. Now we have to eliminate this 12. For that we have to divide 12 with both the side. So 12x by 12 equals to 48 by 12. Reduce this, and if you reduce 48 by 12, what is the answer? X equals to 4. Okay. Now what was the final question they have asked? What are their present age? So what was the present age? 5x and 7x, isn't it? So Rahul's present age is what? 5x. Now we are already know the value of x. Now we'll put this, that is 5 into 4 is what? 20 years. So Rahul's present age is 20 years. Harun's age is what? 7x. So now we'll use the value of 4 x, that is 7 into x is what? 7 4s are 28. So finally the Rahul's present age is 20 years and Harun's present age is 28 years. I hope you have understood. Now let's move on to question number 10. Now question number 10. Again you see something is in ratio form is given. So what is it? The number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7 is to 5. So the boys and girls numbers are given in ratio form. The numbers of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. This is the statement they have given, which we have to use in the equation form. What is the total strength of the class? The total strength means boys plus girls, we have to find it out. Okay, now as because the same logic we'll use, that is number of boys will be 7x and number of girls would be what? 5x. Okay, now what was the statement given? The number of boys. See, I have written this particular statement in the equation form. Okay, so what they have written, the number of boys, the number of boys is represents equals to sign 8 more than means 8 plus number of girls. Okay, so the entire statement has been changed into the equation form. Okay, so what is the number of boys, students? 7x. So I've written, in place of number of boys, I've written 7x equals to sign 8 more than, that is 8 plus, what is the number of girls? 5x. Okay, now it is in the equation form. Now transpose this variable term towards left hand side. So again the sign will change. So next step is 7x minus 5x is equals to 8. What is the result of this one? 2x. Now we have to transpose this 2. For that, what we have to do is we have to divide 2 to both the side. Now when we do that, we'll have to reduce this to 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now we are known with the value of x, that is 4. Now you have to find how many boys and how many girls are there. Then only you can find the total strength. So number of boys is what? 7x. 7x means what? 7 into 4, that is 28 boys is there. And number of girls is what? 5x, that means 5 into 4 equals to 20. Now we know how many boys and how many girls were there in the class. Now we have to go for the total strength. Total strength means number of boys plus number of girls, that is 28 plus 20. That is all together there were 48 students in the class. Okay students, thank you.